Okay, hi guys, just a very quick video about the Oxelo Decathlon 7XL Town, whatever it's called, scooter. Just had two come out the box, and from the terrible instructions I couldn't actually put it back down, and I think a lot of people had the problem, so I'm just going to show you very quickly. It is easy to do. So you just make sure the lever on the left is loose. You can see it doesn't really matter how it is, and this is the key bit that I couldn't get, right? So I put my knee on here. If you try and move that, it won't move. So you just grip it here just below where the handlebars when they're folded, push forward, and then the lever works. If you just try and press that, nothing happens. You just push that a little bit forward and it's so easy. And there you go. That's it. Hope that's useful. It took me ages to figure that out, and Decathlon need to really improve their instructions because it doesn't show anything about it here. Okay? Cheers. Bye.